Today, I filmed a full tutorial on just e.l.f. makeup products. If you want to hear my honest review on the most viral e.l.f. product, my yay, my nays, keep on watching. Hello lovelies, today I'm going to jump into e.l.f. products. I'm going to start off by using the Power Grip Primer. I put this on my face and I was actually really surprised. I really love this primer. It reminds me of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm very impressed with this product. Next I'm going to use the e.l.f. Brow Pencil. This is in shade dark brown. However, I noticed that it's not a true dark brown. It has more of a reddish undertone. For the price, I guess it's okay if you like, but I had to go over multiple times, so I think this is gonna be a nay. So next I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. I'll be honest with you guys, I actually hated this concealer. It started cracking the minute I started blending it out. Hydrating, I wouldn't give it that definition at all. If you guys use this product and you liked it, leave a comment and let me know what you liked about it, because I couldn't seem to get it to work for me. So this is gonna be a nay and I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Next I'm gonna use the Liquid Contour by e.l.f. This product I really was impressed with. It has a true neutral undertone, which I love. So I'm gonna gem drop real quick. I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this brown eyeliner crayon. I really love this also, so this is gonna be a yay from me. And you'll see that I'm gonna just smudge and smoke out my lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the concealer I so desperately hate. This concealer actually was like cracking and it was heavy and cakey. So I went ahead and took a beauty blender. This is a Damp Beauty Blender sponge, and I'm just gonna soak up some of that product and try to minimize the flaking from it. So next is a very viral product. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. If I would have gotten the correct shade, I think I would have really loved this foundation. However, it was a little bit dark, so I'm going to use it as a contour shade. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. High Definition Powder. For a $6 powder, I was actually very impressed with this, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a yay. Just make sure you don't use that crusty, dusty concealer because it's going to look all cakey. I'm going to go back in with that contour shade and I'm going to just lightly contour my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Blush. For a $7 blush, I actually was very impressed. However, I feel like I didn't get the full effect because mine was dried out. Next is going to be the Halo Glow Highlighter. And I'll be honest, we can throw this in the trash. This was a no from me. It just sat on my skin and looked crusty. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. setting spray, and this is going to be a yay for me. It was very affordable and I liked it. Now I'm going to use the brown eyeliner pencil and I'm going to use that on my lips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can get notified every time I release a new video. Now I'm going to use the liquid lipstick by e.l.f. This was nice. This was very creamy, and I go on top of that with the lip gloss. Now, after finishing my full look, of course, I'm going to give myself one final spray. And after really looking at my under eyes, I was flabbergasted. I was like, oh my god, I look old. This is cakey. So we're going to go ahead and throw it in the trash. So out of this whole look, I really love the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I actually really hated the highlighter and concealer. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your yay and nays for e.l.f. makeup products? I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.